Want to start 2025 feeling great in smaller clothes? Take a sip of this before bed. I've struggled with my weight for years, especially after having 2 kids, but everything changed when I tried this simple turmeric drink that Dr. Oz mentioned on his show. Since then, I've lost over 20 pounds. Without dieting, exercising, or stressing. This drink works while you sleep, naturally reducing inflammation in fat cells and helping you wake up slimmer every day. In just weeks, I felt more energized. A few months later, I reached my goal weight. And my skin, it's clearer, smoother, and free of fine lines. If you're ready to start 2025 lighter and more confident, check out Dr. Julian Ross's page. He'll ask a few questions to see if this drink makes sense for you. What he reveals will surprise you. Forget the myth about needing a fast metabolism. It's not your fault if you've struggled. The system profits from keeping you stuck. Don't wait. Start your journey now.